Listen to this if you feel stuck. Not tired, not lazy, just stuck. Every day you wake up and repeat the same routine. Same thoughts, same worries, same dreams sitting at the same place. You feel life moving, but you are not. You scroll the phone, you see others succeeding, and you ask yourself quietly, why not me? You don't mention it much because on the outside you look great, but on the inside you feel you're behind. If this is you, this message is for you. Being stuck does not mean that you are broken. It means there's something inside you that is waiting to move. First, understand this. Feeling stuck does not mean you are weak. It doesn't mean you are useless. It means you have outgrown your old life. Think about a snake. Before it grows, it feels uncomfortable. Its skin feels tight. It cannot move properly. That discomfort is not the end. It is a sign of growth. You feel stuck because the old version of you no longer fits, but the new version hasn't stepped forward yet. And that space, that waiting, that confusion, that is where most people quit. Most people think that they feel trapped in their lives because they don't have money, they don't have any support, they don't have talent. But the real reason is simpler. They are afraid to be bad at something that is new to them. They are afraid to begin and look foolish, afraid of trying and failing, afraid to disappoint others, afraid to disappoint themselves, so they remain motionless. Because it is always easier to remain still than to move. But the truth is, staying stuck is worse than trying. Regret lasts longer than failure. Let me tell you a simple story. There was a girl who always wanted her life to be changed. She wanted to learn a skill. She wanted to create something on her own. But she kept saying, I'm too late. Others are already ahead. I missed my chance. Years went by, then one day she met someone who is successful. She asked, when did you start? The answer shocked her. I started scared. I started confused. I began late, but I began. That was what made all the differences. Not confidence, not luck, no perfect timing, just starting. Listen carefully. You don't need a big plan to escape being stuck. You need a small act. One page read, one workout completed, one honest hour of work, one tough conversation, one decision you have been avoiding. Small steps feel useless at first because they don't give fast results, but they alter something more important, your identity. You stop seeing yourself as stuck. You start to identify yourself as moving. And movement sparks the light of hope. You are waiting for the moment when you'll feel motivated, waiting to feel confident, waiting to feel ready. Action creates motivation. Confidence is built after effort. Every strong person you admire started unsure, started scared, but started anyway. If you wait until you feel ready, you will remain stuck forever. Ask yourself this: if my life remains the same for next 5 years, would I be proud or I'll regret? Let that hurt a little, because pain with a direction is better than comfort without growth. You don't have to change your life today, just change your direction. Even a single degree of change over time leads to a completely different life. If you still feel stuck, listen again. That one day you'll look back and remember this version of yourself. The one who felt stuck, the one who felt tired of waiting, the one who silently wished that life would change. That person is not weak. The first path is familiar, safe, comfortable, and slowly becoming empty. The other path is uncertain. It's scary, it's uncomfortable, but still it feels alive. If you do nothing today, life will go on without you. Days will be blurred, years will pass by, while the dream you kept inside will slowly turn to regret. But if you move today, even with fear, even with zero confidence, everything begins to change. You needn't be fearless. You just have to be honest enough to admit that you want more, honest enough to stop lying to yourself, honest enough to take the first step. Let today be remembered as the day you stopped waiting, the day you stopped hoping that someone would save you, the day you chose yourself over comfort. Because this feeling, it is not here to punish you, it is here to wake you up. This is not the end of your story. This is the moment the story changes. Take one step ahead from here. Your future is watching.